In an era where financial independence is increasingly desirable, exploring unconventional avenues for passive income can yield substantial rewards. Below is a structured list of unique strategies, each with the potential for significant profitability. 1. Invest in domain name futures. The domain name market has evolved into a speculative arena where rare and valuable domains can appreciate dramatically. Investing in domain names involves acquiring unique or trending web addresses and selling them at a higher price later. 2. Develop a virtual reality experience. With the rise of virtual reality, creating immersive experiences for entertainment or education presents a novel business opportunity. This can involve developing VR applications that can be sold or monetized through subscriptions. 3. Create a YouTube channel focused on ASMR. Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, or ASMR, has gained a dedicated following on platforms like YouTube. By producing high-quality ASMR content, creators can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. 4th, establish a self-publishing platform for niche authors. Self-publishing continues to grow, especially for niche genres. By creating a platform that supports independent authors, you can charge for services such as editing, design, and marketing, generating recurring revenue. 5th, invest in farmland via crowdfunding platforms. Crowdfunding for agricultural investments allows individuals to invest in farmland, reaping returns from crop profits or leasing agreements. This alternative asset class offers diversification in investment portfolios. 6th, create an interactive online learning platform for professionals. By designing a platform that offers interactive courses for professional development, you can cater to a growing market of lifelong learners. This could include webinars, coaching, and community features. 7. Establish a subscription box service for niche markets. Subscription boxes have surged in popularity. Curating a unique subscription service focused on niche interests, for example, artisanal foods or hobby supplies, can build a loyal customer base. 8. License and monetize unique recipes. If you possess culinary skills, consider developing and licensing unique recipes or meal plans to restaurants or food brands. This not only generates passive income, but can also enhance your personal brand. 9. Crowdfund a real estate syndicate. Real estate syndication allows individuals to pool resources for larger property investments. By managing a syndicate, you can earn fees and a share of the profits without directly owning the property. 10. Launch a blockchain-based investment fund. With the advent of blockchain technology, creating a decentralized investment fund can attract tech-savvy investors. By pooling funds for strategic investments, you can earn management fees and a percentage of profits. 11. Develop AI-driven marketing tools. With the growing reliance on artificial intelligence in marketing, creating and licensing AI-driven tools for businesses can present a lucrative opportunity. This includes tools for analytics, content generation, or customer engagement. 12. Create and sell online simulation games. Simulation games have a dedicated user base. By developing online games that simulate real-life scenarios, you can monetize through subscriptions, in-game purchases, and sponsorships. 13. Launch an app for remote work solutions. As remote work continues to evolve, developing an application that addresses specific challenges, for example, productivity, team collaboration, can meet a significant demand in the marketplace. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 14. Create a content aggregator website. Establishing a website that aggregates and curates content from various sources can attract substantial traffic. Monetization options include affiliate marketing, advertising, and premium memberships. 15. Invest in renewable energy projects. Participating in renewable energy projects through crowdfunding platforms allows individuals to invest in solar, wind, or other green initiatives. This not only supports sustainability, but also provides financial returns. 16. Start a mobile car wash business. In a fast-paced world, convenience is king. Launching a mobile car wash service that travels to customers' locations can tap into a growing demand for on-the-go services. With minimal startup costs and high profit margins, this is a fantastic passive income idea. 17. Develop a personal finance app. The market for personal finance is booming as people seek ways to manage their money more effectively. Creating an app that offers budgeting tools, investment tracking, or expense management can draw in a substantial user base. 18. Sell SEO services or training. With businesses increasingly aware of the importance of online visibility, offering SEO services or training can generate significant passive income. You can create training modules, webinars, or one-on-one coaching sessions. 19. Create a home-based bakery. If you have a passion for baking, consider starting a home-based bakery. You can sell baked goods through social media, local markets, or food delivery services. 20. Launch an influencer marketing agency. As businesses seek to tap into influencer marketing, starting an agency that connects brands with influencers can be a lucrative venture. You can charge for campaign management, strategy development, and execution. 21. Rent out personal items. Ever thought about renting out your personal belongings? From camping gear to high-end electronics, you can use platforms like Fat Llama or Rent Not Buy to monetize items you rarely use. 22. Create a podcast with sponsorship opportunities. Podcasts continue to rise in popularity, and if you have a unique voice or topic to discuss, creating one can attract sponsorship deals and advertising revenue. 23. Invest in cryptocurrency staking. Cryptocurrency staking allows you to earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. 24. Start a luxury pet service. With pet ownership on the rise, launching a luxury pet service offering grooming, boarding, and walking can attract high-end clientele willing to pay a premium for quality care. 25. Create and license board games. If you have a creative streak, consider designing and licensing a board game. The board game market is booming, and with the right concept, you can generate significant royalties. 26. Develop a social media management tool. With businesses seeking to optimize their social media presence, creating a management tool that simplifies scheduling, analytics, and engagement can fill a significant market need. 27. Curate a sustainable fashion brand. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, launching a sustainable fashion brand that sources eco-friendly materials can tap into a lucrative market while promoting ethical practices. 28. Become an online therapist or coach. If you have qualifications in therapy or coaching, offering your services online can create a steady stream of income. The demand for mental health support continues to rise, and you can reach clients anywhere. 29. Sell vintage and unique items online. Have a knack for finding hidden gems? Selling vintage or unique items on platforms like Etsy or eBay can become a profitable side hustle. 30. Create an online gaming community. With the rise of online gaming, building a community or forum can attract sponsorships and advertising opportunities. Offering exclusive content, merchandise, or membership tiers can further monetize your community. These innovative strategies for passive income not only offer financial benefits, but also allow you to explore your passions and creativity. Remember, the key to success lies in choosing ideas that resonate with you and your skill set. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. As you embark on your journey to financial freedom, remember to be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.